Trading meme coins is not for the faint of heart, and for the baby ballers among you aping $10 to $20 per time, trying to profit feels like an impossible task. But is it? I decided to fund my account with 0.1 Sol and give myself 2 hours to see how much money I could make, to show you guys just how much is or isn't possible with such a small balance. And after a roller coaster of emotions, the results might just surprise you. So why is trading with a small balance hard? Well, depending on which trading platform you use, they'll take a fee for every buy and sell you make. The higher the fee, the quicker the transaction will be, which is great for securing profits, but you're not going to make as many if you're paying more for them. The first trade you make with a small balance absolutely has to hit. If you're working with 0.1 Sol, which is around $18 to $20 in this challenge, a single buy will cost you 0.02 and a sell the same. That's already 50% of that ape gone. And the actual money invested into the coin is going to be like 20% less than that, so 0.07 to 0.08. You have to find a play where you're certain you can double your money at the very least, and that, in crypto, is absolutely terrifying. My first buy on this challenge was looking for a reversal on Miku. This was the OG version of a Cabal coin that sent to a couple of $1 million market cap earlier in the day, and I noticed a wallet that I track ape around 20 Sol at around 300k. Interestingly to me, that level was also the same where the initial pump started, so it was at least a sign that someone was willing to buy that floor and make it a continued support. So I followed suit, and I waited, and I waited, and I waited, hoping that the coin would rally. After going down around 30% and being forced to hold, the coin spiked to over 550k from its lows in a matter of seconds. I'd done it. I was God reincarnated and I was going to make $500. It was written in the
downhill really sharply, and then the car just gets away from him.
The coin went down as fast as it came up, and I was in no position to sell for a loss. But the beauty of only aping $10 is you don't really care if you're down 30% because the size is so small, whereas emotions on a bigger play would have sent me into a spiral and likely made me shave my head. So, sat holding a coin that I'd already round-tripped, I resorted to what any logical crypto trader does. Drawing a wedge, pretending I know what I'm looking at, and then continuing to hope for the best. By some miracle of God, the coin broke out perfectly from my wedge and would spike to over 800k, giving me my exit. I sold half in case it continued to rally, and then sold the rest when it didn't, and was able to secure a balance of nearly 0.2 Sol. That's near enough a 2x with the fees taken out. We are off to the races, which is just as well. Otherwise, this video would have been a YouTube short called How to Lose $10 in 10 Seconds. After this, I decided to make a cup of tea and sit idly, twiddling my thumbs, waiting for the next play to fall to me out of the sky. Then, as if by design, my favourite TikTok quant Nugget tweeted a meme of pickles. Now, I don't know the meme, but I do like pickles, and I know a buy signal when I see it. So I hurried to Photon, found the meme Glickles, and got in at 60k and waited for the magic to happen. Would this be the one? Had I regained my trading powers, or was it all an illusion? The coin did a 2x from my entry, which was enough to me to get out and keep the challenge alive. We were up, the balance was building, and I had a story to tell and profits to spend. But then, the crypto lords had other plans. Glickles bled slowly, painfully back down under 50k, and I sensed an opportunity for another TikTok front run. And if you haven't seen my video on this, I highly recommend you check it out and learn how to find the next bangers before they even get off of PumpFun. Oh, and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. For us to graduate the PumpFun trenches, we need 5,000 subscribers, and I promise to pay YouTube Dex as soon as we hit 2k. By that, I mean I'll upload another video, and subscribing is cheaper than the therapy that you'll need from trading meme coins, so remember that. I full ported back into Glickles at 48k. A good idea? A portfolio builder? Or the end of my challenge? What was it going to be? It was a bold move, and one that didn't look to be paying off, with the coin dropping past my new entry down to around 30k. My hopes were vanishing, confidence fading, and I started to wonder if I should apply for a job at McDonald's. But that was before the rally began. A mythical pump moments later rescued my challenge account and my sanity, giving me another 2x on the same play and bringing me to a total of 0.46 Sol. We'd nearly hit the 0.5 mark, and in the space of 2 hours, I'd 5x'd my initial deposit. Why I can't do this when I actually have a sizable balance to work with, who knows, but hey. The saddest part of this though is that, remember Miku, the first play in this video? that ran to over 3 million, would have given us around a 10x. Glickles, that pumped to over 1 million, so that would have given us at least an 8 to 9x. Could I have made a lot more if I just held each of these coins? Sure, but with a tiny balance you can't afford moon bags. You have to trade like your life depends on it, because if you round trip profits and then you go into a loss, it's too late. Get in, get out, bank robbery style, and build the balance up so you can 8.5 into a play and keep a moon bag without the stress of watching your much needed profits fade into oblivion. I think I'd regret taking profit less than actually not taking profit, because as a wise man once said, you can't go broke making profit. I think it was Warren Buffett that said that. But if you want to see this challenge continue and see how high we can run this up, then leave a like and let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about tools that can help your trading experience, check out this video on the 5 tools that every crypto trader should be using, many of which are used in this very challenge. And until next time, I'll see you in the trenches.